haven't seen since last year, September.
Yeah, and the first hashtag was say paint Esgodini black. Let me say congratulations to the mighty Buccaneers for doing exceptional work just like that by go and fill Esgodini.
Yeah.
That's our home, our slaughter home. And there's a history that has been written, and I don't think there's someone that is going to rewrite it anytime from now. Orlando Pirates have never lose a CAF Champions League match at home in the entire history of CAF Champions League. Let me say to Coach Jose Rivero, he talks about having young players that are still having to play to learn. You are likes of Really, just played last season. You are like of Tabso Sesane, whom he gave us a man of the match performances there at the back together with Nkosina Tisibisi. As for Saleh, the Office of Mob Justice Football has raised funds so that all his personal problem can be able to disappear. He came, Really was playing as number 10. The position of Tito, the shoes was big for him, but he did exceptional well. Dion Hoto, McLean Makaula, and Talent Mbata. So I'm saying, Buccaneers, we have 4 points. All that we just need is 3 points for us to proceed to the quarterfinal. And we say, once a Pirates, always a Pirates.
Buccaneers, they currently level on points with Al Ahly in Group C of the CAF Champions League. Al Ahly